The original Norton Commando first saw the light of day all the way back in 1967. Production spanned 10 continuous years, but the model slowly lost its steam. The Commando has since seen a number of attempted revivals, with several entities trying to capture some of the success of the original, with varying degrees of success. For its 50th anniversary, the British maker has given it an update and launched the 2018 Commando 961 California. The easy-riding roadster. It ditches all the darkness and adorns a timeless classic styling with chrome all over reminiscent of the 70s American motorcycling. The California seems to be built on the same setup of the current café-racer MK2 model but chucks the fly screen and the 2.2 exhaust to be replaced with a new chromy 2.12 exhaust. Flat handlebars also get replaced with Semi-Ape hanger bars and are given the blingy chrome treatment. This is the first Norton Commandos to have a high handlebar. It's what used to be termed a western bar back in the 70s. The current Norton Commando mill that has been in production since 2010 makes a scene here but gets scores of updates. It's powered by a 961cc fuel-injected, air-cooled parallel twin engine with hydraulic actuated overhead pushrod valves. The 961cc mill is mounted in a chrome tubular duplex cradle frame, with its fabricated backbone doubling as the oil tank. Norton claims 66.3 pound-feet of torque at 5,200 revolutions per minute backed up by 78.8 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute from this engine. This pushes the neo-retro bike from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. Although it redlines at 8,000 revolutions per minute, all the peak output of 80 horsepower is produced under the 6,500 revolutions per minute mark. A balancer shaft helps keep swaying and vibrations at bay. In-house produced chrome tubular steel duplex cradle frame also gets carried over from the Commandos made earlier. The frame comes with a fabricated backbone doubling as the oil tank for the dry sump pushrod motor. Mid-mounted pegs and spindly high bars keeps the riding position to a comfortable with the 32 inches solo saddle. The swingarm pivot point has been lowered 18 mm to improve anti-squat tendencies and provide for better traction. The Brit-built Commando maintains essentially the same geometry and sweet steering manners for almost half a decade now. The wheelbase is a little shorter than before, at 1,400 mm. Although Norton has not released their official pricing for the 2018 Norton Commando 961 Ki, do expect it to be near the $22,000 mark. The good old cafe came with a $21,395 sticker itself. You can get the Commando 961 California in 4 unique liveries, with a bike cover and paddock stand to suit, and will be limited to just 50 numbered units. They're available now, on a first-come first-served basis, and each limited edition bike will also have its unique build number etched onto the clock face. There are 4 Norton Motorcycles dealers in the U.S. They're located in Austin, Texas, Villa Park, Illinois, Redmond, Washington, and Westminster, California. Thanks for watching.